Hey everyone, John Chow here for johnchow.com, and I am in Las Vegas. I'm here for the 2018 Affiliate Summit. This is at the Paris Hotel. I'm here for the next 3 days to bring you coverage from the biggest affiliate marketing trade show in the world. Oscar and I, we just drove here after .com lunch, and right now we are walking over to go pick up our passes. So come on, let's go check it out. There's Oscar with his new fancy GoPro. He's using a Zanyu Tech stabilizer, I believe. So he's walking smoothly, very smoothly. In case the little label doesn't represent you, like male or female, you can choose from a whole bunch of other stuff like beauty and it and business and code reds and whatever else. But yeah, oh yeah, they make you. This would be me, but I can't believe you actually just let people have any year they want. I mean, I've been to over 25 plus affiliate summits, so I should be that. Yeah, but what's the use if anyone can just take it? Huh?
I don't know.
Oscar, I suggest you take a 25 plus.
Should I?
Yeah, you should.
How about I take 2 of them and then put them
if
together?
you'll be 50 plus. Yeah, 50 affiliate summit. That'd be great. Yeah.
Any new badges today? No.
Yeah. Hey, general web service? Oh, gaming and lotto. That sounds good. Yeah, there we go.
Is there a blogging?
Is there a blogging? Oh, here's one. Cool. I like that one. Cool. It's a good thing I came here today because it's dead. Because tomorrow, this registration area will be swarming with people. Always try to come the day before to get registered. Whoa, man, check out that beef. That's amazing. That's the A5 Wagyu right there. I wonder how much they want for it. So I'm back in my room and I got me the swag bag. This is what they gave me after I registered for the Affiliate Summit. So let's take a look at what we have inside. All right, first of all, we have the trade planner. The trade guide. This lists all the name of the speaker and also when they're speaking and what they're talking about. I am in there. If you get this, make sure you read my bio. It is the best of all of them. Just trust me on it. My bio is by far better than everyone else's. Let's see what else we have here. All right, we have some advertising from various networks who pay money to put themselves in this bag. Okay, more of that stuff there. More advertising. Yeah. Free Fund magazine. This is the official trade magazine of Affiliate Summit. It comes out once a month, and if you're in the industry, this is free, so you can get a free subscription to this. Let's see here, and here's my badge. So for 2018 Affiliate Summit, now for the badges, includes your picture. It includes your picture, so they say it's so that people cannot steal your badge and use it. But in actuality, what it's for is so I can sell it to somebody and make money off it. Yeah. Okay. And because I got a VIP ticket, I also get a bunch of drink coupons. So these allows me to get 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like a dozen drinks, some snacks, and lunch as well. So don't lose those, or else no drinks, no lunch. And what else we have here? And of course, they have my description, what I am. I am an affiliate, and I'm also a speaker. So it's my speaker badge and my affiliate badge. What you do, they stick together, and then well, you kind of like, yeah, you stick it together, and then you stick it on your badge like so. So when you're walking around the trade floor, people can see what you are. And if you want, if these don't apply to you, you can, we saw previously all those other additional badges of stuff. And if you want, you can make a super long one, which is honestly kind of stupid, but hey, some people will do it. And lastly, the lanyard. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, all right. So Affiliate Summit starts tomorrow. Stick to this channel. Come check back here, and you'll see all the action from the show floor because I am going to bring it to you. So give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.